One of the things that I often hear from my affiliate marketing clients, beginners or those that have been struggling to get the results that they want, is that there is one thing they wish they had more of: time. Can you relate? I bet you can. This is my 12 Step to Success online series, and in this training I'm giving you the 8th of the 12 steps and the final step of the planning phase. And if there is one thing that I know everyone wants more of when they're building their business, it's time. So this step's all about how you can save time, because as you can imagine, time is something that we all have equal amounts of. It's just that some people get more done with the time they have than others. And this step's about helping you get more out of the time that you have. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel, we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Now, if you've missed any of the previous steps, make sure you go back and watch them. I've left a link up there for you, and make sure you subscribe and click the little bell to get notified when I release a new video, including the next videos in the 12-step process. In this video, I'm going to share the 8th step of my 12 steps to online success and the 4th of the planning phase. So the 8th step to online success is all about saving time. Time is our most precious commodity, and as an affiliate marketer, especially when you're getting started or growing, there are going to be lots of moments when you feel overwhelmed, unsure of what's the right direction, what you should focus on the most. I get it, I was there too. Which means you're going to want to have ways that you can save time. And I'm going to outline 5 ways that you can save time and get more done, effectively and efficiently. So you have more time to focus on the things that get you paid and grow your business. So let's dive into them. The first way that you can save time is to be organised. Now, if you've been following along, you'll recall that being organised was step 2 in these 12 steps. So you can check that out by clicking the link up there. The simple facts are that the more organised you are, the more you'll get done, and the less time you'll lose looking for the things that you need. Now, I can't overstate how important it is to get yourself organised. It will save you more time than you can imagine. Second is to batch create content. Now, this is another one of those tips that you hear mentioned a lot, but don't appreciate the benefits until you actually do it. So think about this. You've set yourself the objective of posting socials once per day, and each day you set yourself up to create your post. You have to organise yourself, you open up your tools, think about what to post, create the post, and then do the posting. All of that takes time, and if you have to repeat it each day, that's a lot of setup and shutdown each day for one post. Instead, if you create content in batches, like a week, a month, or even a year, you get on a flow. You don't have to set up and shut down each day, and you'll have all the posts you need in a much more efficient manner. And if you want to see how to create content and then be in a position to batch it, you can check out step 7. Click the link up there, just another one, where I show you how to create over 300 posts using 10 simple categories. The third way to save time is to engage a virtual assistant, or 2 or 3. In this modern world, there's so much opportunity to get things done by people with more skill or time to dedicate to tasks that you struggle to find the time for, or tasks that, as the CEO of your business, you shouldn't be doing. Now, before you say, I can't afford a virtual assistant, let me explain how one of my mentors addressed that response when I first had it. He would say that the reason you can't afford a virtual assistant is the reason you need a virtual assistant. Now think about that. The reason you think you can't afford a virtual assistant is probably based on the fact that you aren't making the income you want, which is because you're busy doing stuff that doesn't make you any money. It's a struggle that I was having, and when I finally grasped what my mentor was saying, I made the leap into the unknown and hired my first virtual assistant, and haven't looked back since. The thing is, if you want to be earning $10,000 per month or week, you can't be doing the tasks that pay a lot less than someone who's earning $10,000 per month or more. There are people that you can support with your business that will do these tasks for a rate that is perfect for them. However, it's a minimal amount to you, like $8 to $10 per hour, and sometimes less. So your task is to first acknowledge that the reason you aren't earning the money that you want is that you're spending too much time doing the things that don't pay at the rate that you want to be paid, and then work out the tasks that you can get someone else to do. Now, we've already talked about batch creating your social media posts. And once you have your ideas laid out in the spreadsheet, the creation, scheduling and monitoring of your posts is a classic task that you can get a virtual assistant to do. There are many places you can find virtual assistants, including onlinejobs.ph or Fiverr, or just Google virtual assistants. This tip alone saves me 20 hours a week. The fourth tip is to focus on what matters. This is an extension of the last tip, but I want to narrow the definition a little for you. Focusing on what matters means doing the tasks that generate income in your business. Now, you might react by saying, but Andrew, all the tasks I'm doing generate income for my business. But I'm here to tell you that ain't the case. There's maybe one or two key things that drive results in your business. It's these tasks that you need to focus your attention with laser-like commitment. For example, in my coaching business, I know that the one thing that drives sales is the number of bookings I make each day. So what do you think I focus my attention on? Yep, getting more bookings. If your affiliate marketing business generates sales via a funnel and you know you can get 5 sales for every 100 people that come into the funnel, what are you going to be focused on each day? Yep, getting more people into the funnel. Now, I coach struggling affiliate marketers every day who have spent the best part of a month worried whether their page's design is the right colour or the right layout or the right font size. While these things are important and should be split tested, they aren't going to drive more people to your page or your funnel. So get over the detail and get working on the things that generate income, that grow your business. And if you don't know what they are, feel free to schedule a time in my calendar for a free call where we can dive into the detail and create a plan for you. I'll leave a link down there in the description. Oh, and one more important point here. Get over the shiny object syndrome. I know you suffer this disease because I did too. When you decide what the key metric of your business is and you focus your attention on it, you'll be a lot less interested in the latest course or tool that promise to solve all your problems. You just don't need them. I'll give you permission to just move on. Now, the final way to save time is to get some simple software tools that will help you do some important tasks in your business. Now, I know I just said you need to get over the shiny syndrome disease. However, in this case, there are a few tools that you should have to make your life easier and to save you time. Now, I'll leave a link in the description for my favourite tools that helps you with organic Facebook marketing. It's a real game changer and an absolute time saver. The thing with software tools is that there are a bunch of them, particularly Chrome extensions that don't cost much, if anything, and they'll do a lot to help save you time, such as Loom, Calendly, Google Drive, TubeBuddy, to name a few. Okay, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you how you can save time and achieve more as you grow your business. And I hope it helped you understand the value of your time so you can start to get others to do the things that you shouldn't be doing as the CEO of your business. Now, if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want some personal support to get set up for success, to nail these 12 steps and be on your way to the online income that you want, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get one-on-one support over 6 weeks, a whole bunch of resources and tools that are proven to work, and be earning an online income within 30 days. Click the link in the description to schedule a free call with me and we can work on a plan to get you moving toward your goals quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to schedule a time with me, click the link in the description and let's have a chat. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this training and I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget, to get access to the free affiliate marketing training that I recommend, click the links in the description and let's get you building your business from today. And if you want to get on a discovery call with me, you can click the link in the description to book a time in my calendar and we can get together and have a chat.